That is why we made a historic decision just a few months ago. We extended the OCI card eligibility to Malaysian citizens of Indian origin up to the 6th generation. We have been supporting the Indian Scholarship Trust Fund. Now, we are also going to give Tiruvalluvar Scholarship for students to study in India. And we look forward to seeing you in the Know India program. You will be happy to know that we will soon be opening a new consulate of India in Malaysia. This will bring us even closer. Friend, 1.4 billion Indians want to build a developed India by 2047. विकसित भारत बनाना है ना? विकसित भारत बना के रहेंगे कि नहीं रहेंगे? हम अपने सपनों को साकार करेंगे कि नहीं करेंगे? हम सपनों को संकल्प में बदलेंगे कि नहीं बदलेंगे? हम संकल्प को सिद्ध करके रहेंगे कि नहीं रहेंगे? In this journey, our Pravasi Bhartiyas, the Indian diaspora, is a valuable partner. Whether you were born in Kuala Lumpur or Kolkata, India lives in your hearts. You are an active part of Malaysia's and India's progress. You will help realize the vision of prosperous Malaysia and Viksit Bharat. Traditions over centuries. Recently, I spoke in my monthly radio conversation, Man Ki Baat, about you. I shared with 1.4 billion Indians how over 500 schools in Malaysia teach the influence of great saints like Tiruvalluvar and Swami Vivekananda can also be felt here. The Taipusam in Batu Caves last week was a divine that it looked like the celebrations at Palani. Equally grand are the cultural celebrations at Sri Venkateswara Temple, Bagan Bato. I am told that Garba is very popular here. We also deeply cherish the cultural connections with our Sikh brothers who live here. You have carried the teachings of Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji to this day by promoting Naam Japo, Kirat Karo, Vand Chako. Friends, we have people from all parts of India here. The threads of cultural unity bind us strongly. Our strength is we understand unity in diversity. Friends, Tamil is India's gift to the world. Tamil literature is eternal and Tamil culture is global. In the same way, Tamil people have also served humanity with their talents. And I proudly say, India's Vice President, Thiru C.P. Radhakrishnan ji, our Foreign Minister, Dr. Jaishankar ji, who is with us today, Finance Minister, Nirmala Sitharaman ji, who has presented our budget 9 times. Dr. Murugan, our Minister of State for Information and Broadcasting, are all, they are from Tamil Nadu. In the same way, the members of the Tamil diaspora in Malaysia are serving the society in various fields. In fact, the Tamil diaspora had been here for many centuries. Inspired by this history, we are proud to have established the Tiruvalluvar Chair in the University of Malaya. We will now set up a Tiruvalluvar Center to further strengthen our shared heritage. Friends, our relationship with Malaysia is scaling new heights each year. In 2024, during the visit of Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim to New Delhi, we elevated our ties to a comprehensive strategic partnership. Today, we walk hand in hand as partners towards progress and prosperity. We celebrate each other's success just as our own. I was touched by Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim's good wishes on the historic success of Chandrayaan-3. I agree with you, my dear friend. India's success is Malaysia's success. It is Asia's success. That is why I say the guiding word of our relationship is impact. Impact means India-Malaysia partnership for advancing collective transformation. Impact on the speed of our relations. Impact on the scale of our ambitions. Impact for the benefit of our people. Together, we can benefit the entire humanity. Friends, Indian companies have always been keen to work with Malaysia. It is a privilege that we played a part in creating Malaysia's first and Asia's largest insulin manufacturing facility. Over 100 Indian IT companies operate in Malaysia, generating thousands of jobs. The Malaysia India Digital Council is paving new pathways for our digital collaboration. I'm happy to share with you that India's UPI will come to Malaysia soon. Friends, we share the same blue waters of the Indian Ocean. Across the ocean, we love to visit each other. I invite you all to visit different parts of India. In the past few years, India has seen unprecedented growth in infrastructure and connectivity. Of our airports had doubled in a decade. Highways are being built at a record pace. Modern trains like Vande Bharat are getting international acclaim. I encourage more of you to travel and experience incredible India. You must also bring your Malay friends with you. Don't come alone. Because people to people connect is the cornerstone of our friendship. Friends, when we met in 2015, I spoke to you about India's potential. Now, I speak to you about India's performance. In one decade, India has seen a massive transformation. Then, we were the 11th largest economy in the world. Now, we are knocking on the doors of the top 3.